I have a Neff B7740N0GB combi microwave that has started sparking at the edge of the element below the revolving plate. Can this be replaced, fixed, and can I use the microwave in the meantime?
Hello. A spark is generated whenever there is an exposed metal inside the microwave. So I would presume there is a cracked paint or a rusted part where the spark is happening. To remedy this, we use sandpaper and clean the rusted part thoroughly. Let the metal appear clean and shiny. Then we would get a spray painting can for metal, glossy, and spray it on the bare metal that you cleaned. Make sure you painted all the bare metal. Then put a couple of layers to make it a little bit thick. It could take you a day to do the job. Let it dry and try it the next day. There should be no more sparking.
Hi, the sparking is coming from the element. There's a lot of white light and sparks coming from the edge where it presumably goes into the workings of the MW, and there's a slightly blackened end panel that looks like it's riveted on. Are you saying I should be sanding the element? Sorry I missed your chat request. Nothing would load from the JustAnswer website. I assume all is okay as I can view my question again now?
No, not the element but the blackened end panel where it is riveted on. It would be anything that is rusted or metal exposed on the body of the cavity of the MW. If you clean the blackened part, you might see rust or bare metal.
I've checked that and it's just blackened from the sparking that comes from the element. It's definitely the element that's sparking as I can see where the white light comes from. I assume I need a new element then.
If that is the case, then I would say so. The element could have cracked.
Can I fit that myself with it being a Neff integrated MW, or am I best to get someone to do it for me?
If it is integrated, I would say ask for help. Just removing the unit would be hard already.
Would you say I need to contact Neff or an electrician, or is it just a case of searching for a specialist? Also, I'm assuming I'm best not to use it for now.
I would say specialist for microwaves. Just in case there would still some issues that might arise after replacing the heating element. I would say do not use the unit for now, you might damage the magnetron.
Thought that from other searches I've done, not that I know exactly what a magnetron is though. Smile. Thanks very much for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.